What if I told you there's a hidden marketplace where people are already looking for your product? They're ready to buy, but they're not scrolling Amazon, and they're not scrolling Etsy either. This place has buyers scrolling for answers right now. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly where to find them. Stick around, because today, this is exactly where your $10,000 per month journey begins. So part one, why do traditional platforms really suck for beginners? So let's call it what it is. Most beginners are told, sell your product on Amazon or Etsy and watch the money just come in. But here's what they don't tell you. Etsy is going to eat your profits. Listing fees, transaction fees, payment fees. Oh, and if you want visibility, well, that's going to cost you too. It's like trying to run a business while everyone is taking a cut every step you take. Amazon, you might ask. Well, that's even worse for digital sellers. You're competing with thousands of sellers. Some of them are giants with large teams and large ad budgets. You don't get your customers' data. You don't control the experience. You're playing in their sandbox by their rules. And social platforms, same story. Unless you're already famous, the social media algorithms are going to bury you. Your post is going to reach 1% of your followers unless you spend money to boost your post. So here's the real talk. Visibility on the social media platforms takes months and thousands of views. You need something better, something simpler, something you can control. So part two, the $10,000 hotspot, your own mini site. This is the game changer most people overlook. Programs like Gumroad, System.io, StanStore, or even a simple Notion or Google site. Cheap or free even. These are fast, again, free or cheap, and you get to control them. But why do they work? No listing fees, no middleman. You control pricing, branding, customer experience, and the messaging. And most importantly, you get the email. And that's the gold mine. You can set up your digital store in under an hour. No coding, no tech overwhelm. Upload your product, add a headline, connect your payment processor, and you're done. So now, how do you get traffic? Here's the sweet spot. If you're selling to 30 to 60-year-olds, you don't want to chase the trends. You want to show up where they're at. You want to show up where they're already spending time. You want to start with LinkedIn, Facebook groups, emails, newsletters, Pinterest. Yeah, believe it or not, it's still huge. So here's a case study for you. A creator launched a $97 course called Reset Your Career After 40. They shared value-driven posts on 2 LinkedIn accounts and their email list. Just 200 people came to their site. But what was the result? $12,000 in sales. No ads, no followers, just the right product in the right place. So part 3, the traffic secret most people skip, but you won't. So here's a traffic secret that feels like a cheat code, but few people use it. Solve problems in public. Go where people are asking questions and answer those questions generously. Start with X, formerly Twitter. You want to search for, I'm 50 and struggling with X. Or how about Reddit? Forums like R Personal Finance, R Over 30, or R/Career Guidance. In Facebook groups, answer a question and then share your guide. On LinkedIn, share a How I Overcame This Problem story and link it to your product. When you solve a real pain point publicly, people will trust you. They click on your link to their product because it's relevant and not random. A single post on X that details a $9 checklist for a morning routine. You can post about a simple $9 checklist for a morning routine. Explain how that routine, how that checklist helps people with their morning routine. You're not selling, you're helping. Result? 2,000 to 3,000 clicks, 72 hours, 96 hours. It's all eyeballs on your product because you're just helping people solve a problem. And that's the power of showing up to serve. You're looking to help people, not sell people. So here's your new playbook. 1, ditch the overcrowded platforms. 2, set up your own mini site, your own digital storefront. 3, show up where your people are already at. 4, serve publicly. The clicks and the customers will come. This is how people like you hit $10,000 per month without going viral or burnout. So what happens after your first few sales? How do you scale this to consistent income month after month. So that's exactly what I'm covering in video 5. So if video 5 is out, you can click here or here, where I show you how to automate your system, reinvest your earnings, and scale your sales to $10,000 per month and beyond. And this is where the fun really begins. I'll see you there.